Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you people are good. Alhamdulillah, yesterday we have completed one problem based on negative integers, the practical example in our daily life. So one more example of temperature I am going to explain you today, where the negative integers are applying in our daily life. In the news also, maybe you people will heard, at the end of the news they will discuss about the weather forecast, and they will give the information in so and so country the temperature is so and so, means negative temperature also they will mention positive temperature, like in Shimla minus 2 degrees centigrade, okay, in India 42 degrees centigrade temperature, okay. So in this way they are using this negative numbers to represent the temperature. So here, based on temperature only, one example I am going to explain you. Let's see how we are going to do that and how that negative integers are using over here. So the temperature at 12 noon, okay, everybody knows 12 noon is nothing but the times at which afternoon time gets starts. So the temperature at 12 noon, what is the temperature? Here we are talking about the temperature, and the temperature at 12 noon, at what time? At 12 noon was 12 degrees centigrade, okay. So 12 degrees centigrade, along with that it is mentioned here, most important, above 0, okay. So already we have discussed a number line. On the number line we are having two types of number lines, that is horizontally also we can represent and vertically. This is the way of horizontal. At the exactly center 0 comes, 0 lies, and on the right side of 0 positive numbers 1, 2, 3. Negative numbers lies at the left hand side of 0. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, okay, so on it will be. Then this is the vertical presentation. Suppose 0, then the number above the 0, okay, the number above the 0 are positive 1, 2, 3, and the number below the 0, here the term below is nothing but it is showing less, okay. Even increase, decrease, that also we are going to represent with the help of numbers in a positive and negative way. Anything which is increasing is nothing but which is becoming more, so that will increase, and above this we are representing through positive, okay, through plus sign. It means the numbers will be positive for those terms. And decrease and below 0, less, for these terms we are representing the numbers with the help of minus sign, okay, negative numbers. So here exactly we are having 0 at the center, and few numbers are above and few numbers are below, okay, 1, 2, 3. Then what is the difference between them? The difference is nothing but the number which are above the 0 are positive number, and the number which are below 0, they will be the negative numbers, okay. In this way we need to remember. Suppose the temperature of anything is above 0, it means the temperature is positive. Below 0 means it is negative. Hopefully it is clear to you people. So let's move towards our question. So what's given? The temperature at 12 noon, okay, this is the time it is given. At this time the temperature was 12 degrees centigrade above 0. So this 12 degrees centigrade we are going to represent with positive sign or minus sign, that we are going to see. Was 12 degrees centigrade above 0. Just now we have studied above 0 is nothing but the numbers will be positive, okay. So this information we got, it means the temperature at 12 noon is plus 12 degrees centigrade. Now next to information, what is given? If it decreases, okay, what is happening? The temperature is decreasing. So we are going to use a minus sign. The temperature, if it decreases at the rate, at what rate? Yes, at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade. So this 2 degrees centigrade will be minus or plus. You need to compare these two things, okay. Here the term we are using is decreases. Decreasing is nothing but always we are going to represent it through minus sign. So it means the temperature is decreasing at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade, but plus or minus it is directly not given in the question. We have to understood by the given statement. So it is mentioned here decreases, it means it is minus 2 degrees centigrade, okay, per hour until midnight. Till when it is happening? Till when the temperature is decreasing, okay, till midnight. Maybe after that it is going to be increase. We don't know the information, just it is given in the question is if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour until midnight. Okay, until midnight. The information is given up to midnight only. So at what time? Okay, now we need to find, first we will write the given information, then afterwards I will explain you this. So first we begin with the solution. Okay, what it is given? The temperature at 12 noon. So that I am going to write. The temperature at 12 noon above 0 means it is plus 12 degrees centigrade. Okay, so this statement I have directly converted into mathematical form. The temperature at 12 noon was 12 degrees centigrade above 0. So I have reduced here the temperature at 12 noon equals to plus 12 degrees centigrade. Plus 12 degrees centigrade is nothing but it is above 0. The next information, if it decreases, okay, temperature decreases. If it means temperature, here we are talking about temperature. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour. So here we are going to write rate of temperature decreases or temperature decreases at the rate of, okay. Temperature decreases at the rate minus 2 degree centigrade per hour. Okay, minus 2 degree. Why we have written minus 2 degree over there? Because the concept here using decreases. Okay, temperature decreases. Temperature decreases at the rate is minus 2 degrees centigrade. Now next thing, okay, up to we have completed here. Now from when to when the temperature is getting decreased? From 12 noon to midnight. Okay, 12 noon to 12 noon to midnight. Means how much difference will be there? Yes, the difference is of 12 hours. The difference is of 12 hours. Now next information, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below 0? At what time? Here we have to find what will be the time. Okay, here we have to find the time. Okay, here we need to find the time when the temperature is 8 degrees centigrade below 0. We have to find out the time when the temperature is 8 centigrade below 0. Below 0 is nothing but it will be minus 8 degrees centigrade. When the temperature is becoming minus 8 degree, we have to find out that time. So we don't know the time. Okay, we don't know the time. So we are going to take, let x be the time when temperatures decreases to 8 degrees centigrade. Okay. Let x be the time when temperature is minus 8 degree centigrade. Okay, why I have written here minus 8 degree centigrade? Because it is given in the question 8 degree centigrade below 0. So when we are talking about below 0, it is nothing but it will be it is negative. Okay, when we are talking about below and above concept, below means we are going to use minus sign to represent the numbers, and when we are talking about above, at that time we are using plus sign. Okay, so here it is given below 0, it means this 8 degree will be minus 8 degree centigrade. Okay, so here I have taken the time, let x be the time when the temperature is minus 8 degree centigrade. So this we are going to these statements we are using to make a equation. Okay, so what is the initial temperature? The initial temperature is 12 degrees centigrade. Let's check me. Okay, so here the initial temperature was given as 12 degrees centigrade when the time is 12 noon. So here I will write the time when the temperature is minus 8 degrees centigrade. Okay, so the initial temperature it was 12 degrees centigrade, so I will write here 12 degree centigrade minus 2. Why I have taken minus 2? Because the temperature is getting decrease at, okay, the temperature is getting decrease at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade. So decreasing means, because of that reason I have used here minus 2. Minus 2 into the time we have taken. What we have taken? The time we have taken. Let x be the time. So x equals to, okay, from the initial temperature we are taking out the temperature which is getting decreased, and the time is the temperature is becoming is minus 8 degrees centigrade. Okay, so 12 minus 2 times of x is nothing but 2x equals to minus 8. Now we need to solve this equation. Everyone knows how to solve. So this is a positive number, this we are transposing to right hand side. So minus 2x equals to, already minus 8 is there, then we are transposing this 12, it will become minus 12. Okay, it becomes minus 12. So here I will continue. Then minus 2x equals minus 8 minus 12, both are negative, so we have to add. 8 plus 12 is nothing but 20, minus 20. So this both minus get cancelled. Now it becomes 2x equals to 20. Now 2 ones, 2 tens. So x equals to 10. What is this x equals to 10? Actually, what is this x? Yes, exactly. We have taken, let x be the time. When the temperature is minus 8 degrees centigrade. So what will be the time we have calculated? The time is 10. Okay, the time is 10 hours. Okay, after 10 hours the temperature will be minus 8 degrees centigrade. Is that clear, ma? Hopefully you people have understood. Let me explain you one more time. The information is given, the temperature at 12 noon was 12 degrees centigrade above 0. Above 0 means we are representing this 12 degree with the help of plus sign. So here I have written the temperature at 12 noon is equals to plus 12 degrees centigrade. The next thing it is given in the question, the temperature is getting decreased at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade. Okay, here it is given the temperature is decreasing. For decreasing we are using minus sign. At how much it is decreasing? 2 degrees centigrade per hour until midnight. So till midnight the temperature is getting decreased. So I am writing that only. Temperature decreases at the rate equals to minus 2 degrees centigrade. This minus is nothing but decreasing. It is showing that the temperature is decreasing. Next, 12 noon to midnight. Up to when the temperature is getting decreased? From 12 noon to midnight. So 12 noon to midnight, which is nothing but that is a difference. So we have calculated the difference, which is not going to be used even though it is 12 hours. The difference is 12 hours. Now the most important thing is we have to calculate at what time. Okay, we need to find out the time when the temperature becomes 8 degrees centigrade below 0. Below 0 means the temperature will be minus 8 degrees centigrade. Initial temperature we know very well, it was 12 degrees centigrade. स्टार्टिंग में आपका टेम्परेचर 12 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड था. टाइम कितना था वहाँ पर? 12 नून. So what happens? Slowly the temperature is getting decreasing. Okay, slowly the temperature is getting decreasing. That is, it is first 12. Okay, then at first hour. Okay, at 12 noon 12 बजे के वक्त आपका टेम्परेचर था 12 degrees centigrade. Slowly what is happening? It is decreasing. It was plus. So now next what will happen after 12? What comes? Yes, exactly 1 pm. Okay, 1 pm. जब 1 बज गया तो आपका टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज हो गया 2 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. इट मीन्स इट बिकम्स 10. Then after that at 2 the temperature becomes plus 8. Then at 3 temperature becomes 6. At 4 temperature 4. Okay. Then at 5 pm the temperature is becoming 2 plus 2 degree centigrade. At 3 1 2 3 4 5. At 6 the temperature is becoming 0 degree centigrade. Okay. Then at 7 it is becoming minus 2 because after 0 the numbers will be negative. So because of that reason I am representing with minus sign, minus 2 degree centigrade. Now then at 8 pm the temperature is minus 2 minus 4 degree centigrade. Then 6 9 at 9 pm. Okay, at 9 pm the temperature is becoming minus 6 degree centigrade. Then 10 pm what is happening? At 10 pm minus 8 degree centigrade. Okay, this is the one of the alternate method also I can say. So here also we are tallying whether we got the correct answer or not. So here the information what is given, at what time would be the temperature be 8 degree centigrade below 0. Below 0 means the temperature is minus 8 degree centigrade. So when minus 8 degree centigrade temperature is coming, yes exactly at 10 pm it is coming. So that only we have calculated over here. So how we have to do here? We need to give first time, then afterwards here's rate of temperature decreasing. This is the initial temperature, then afterwards here the timing is getting changed. It was 12 noon, after 12 noon it is 1 pm. At 1 pm the temperature becomes 10 degrees centigrade. Why it is becoming 10 degrees centigrade? Because previously it was 12, now the temperature is decreasing. Decreasing means it is becoming less. So 12 minus 2 is nothing but 10. Then again at 2 pm the temperature is becoming 8 degrees centigrade. Everywhere you need to write degree centigrade. And this is the pm only, we are using the time because after 12 noon it becomes pm only. Okay, so this was your initial temperature. It was your initial temperature. Then what happened? After every hour the temperature is getting decreasing. So we got the answer as minus 8 degree temperature is becoming, the temperature is becoming minus 8 degrees centigrade at 10 pm. So here also we have calculated. It is also a very simple way to solve the problem. So when the time taken the temperature is minus 8 degrees centigrade, so we have calculated this is your initial temperature. From initial temperature we are subtracting whatever the temperature we are going to get. So 2 times of this is the rate of temperature decreasing. At what time we don't know, so we have taken the time here x, so that I am substituting here. Minus 2 into x equals to what is the temperature we are getting? Yes, minus 8 degrees centigrade. So 12 minus 2 into x, 2x equals to minus 8 degrees centigrade. Again 12. Okay, this 12 we are transposing to other side, so 2x remains same. This 12 when we are transposing other side it becomes minus, so minus and minus both are plus only, we are going to add to them. Then 2x equals to 20, then 2 ones 2 tens, x equals to 10. This x is nothing but this is the time, and it is after 12 noon. After 12 noon means it is pm only. So we need to write the final statement. Therefore the temperature is minus 8 degrees centigrade at 10 pm. Okay, hopefully you have understood. And one more bit he is asking in the question, that also I will explain to you. So what is the next bit? This is we have completed up to here. Next one is asking in the question, what would be the temperature. Here we need to calculate the temperature. In the previous question we have calculated the time. At what time? We have calculated time. In the next question we need to find out the temperature. Okay, what is the temperature at midnight? We need to calculate the temperature at midnight. Hopefully you know this, how to solve, even though I will explain to you people. So what is asking in the question? It is asking the temperature. We don't know the temperature. We know the initial temperature. Initial temperature was 12 degrees centigrade. So first we are going to write the initial temperature, that is here 12 degrees centigrade, minus 2 we are writing because the temperature is getting decrease. Okay, so at the what rate? At 2 degrees centigrade. So before we have mentioned here x, where x will be the time. Already it is given here time. What will be the temperature at midnight? Okay, midnight is nothing but 12 am. So 12 degrees centigrade minus 2 into 12. 12 minus 2 times of 12 is nothing but 24. So how much it is getting decreased? Yes, exactly 10. 24 minus 12 is nothing but, if you don't know how to subtract, you can make it in the rough column also. Okay, and when you are subtracting this 12 minus 24, what is happening? The bigger number is having minus sign, so we need to write minus in the result also. As we are talking about the temperature, we need to mention the degree as well as in which degree. Okay, degree centigrades. So finally we have to write the statement that is, therefore minus 12 degrees centigrade, minus 12 degrees centigrade is the temperature What will be the temperature? We have calculated the temperature. So minus 12 degrees centigrade is the temperature at midnight. Okay, this one is so simple because the initial temperature, whatever it is given, from that temperature we need to just subtract the time by multiplying with 2, because the rate of temperature decreasing is minus 2 degrees centigrade. So minus 2 into x we have to multiply. In place of x we have taken the time, and in the next bit it was given the time in the form of midnight. It is not given 10 pm. Sometimes if they will give 10 pm, then you need to substitute here 10 or okay 10 okay 10 8 anything, whatever it may be, if they gives in place of this midnight, then you need to substitute that number over there. After that you need to follow this simplification. Okay, hopefully you have understood. So in this way we are using the negative numbers in our practical life. So alhamdulillah, we have completed the chapter with this integers. Inshallah, in the next video we are going to start a new chapter, and just try to recapitulate everything what we have studied in integers. We have learned the definition of integers: least integer, then largest integer, then predecessor, successor, arranging, okay, order of integers, then operations on integers, then word problems, properties. Alhamdulillah, these many concepts we have covered in this chapter. Just recapitulate all the things and be perfect with that. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next video soon. Jazakallahu khair. Thank you.